Welcome to the Headbangers Workshop. In this episode, we're going to be working on a flower box. It's going to be a raised bed. It's going to be a 2 foot by 6 feet bed at approximately 18 inches high. So stay tuned. I will tell you in advance. Some of the stuff didn't get shot. The shots were wrecked a little bit. People sitting on what I had holding it. Didn't get some of the stuff shot like the assembly because it was in my neighbor's backyard, so I didn't want to film in her backyard out of respect for her. So hope you get something from it. So since this is for someone, I'm drawing it out. Here's the basic box. It's going to be 6 feet, not 6 inches, by 2 feet, and then 18 inches high. And I'm going to put some back spikes in because it's got to go in the dirt on the back. This is me showing that I'm going to overlap, and then I'm going to fill in the top and bottom piece so that it's all consistent. Crazy weather out here. I mean, here about half hour ago is when I was out unloading my car, and now it's almost clear skies. Ground's pretty dry. Weird spring weather. So here I'm laying out my boards. I have it butted up against that piece of 2x4 just so that we can get an even spot, and then I'm going and screwing them all down, putting them all in. Now on to the next one. After I'm screwing these over, you see that I flip it over and I mark the screws so that I can take those out. You see I got a wardrobe change here, cutting by hand because kids are sleeping. Now I'm marking the centers so it can have a little bit more support right there. So here you see I brought 2 more boards to put it on the back. I'm just marking out. Those are going to be what I'm going to cut later for when the kids wake up. And here it is all assembled. I didn't do a video of that part because it was in her backyard, but this is what it looks like. I later came back and put a layer of fabric down just so that her raspberries don't go into the dirt and spread all over the place. If you liked that video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave me a comment. Feel free to subscribe. I'm trying to make this better, so if you guys get anything out of this, that's awesome. Let me know how I can improve. Thank you.